Hello everyone. So basically, this is a project idea for smart health assistant. Basically, it is a nothing but a smart healthcare chatbot, which is capable of generating your diet plan and also able to detect disease from the symptoms which you are suffering from. And also, it has a health conversation feature, which basically do the health related conversation. Whatever you will ask, it will respond accordingly. Okay, so this project basically involved integration of OpenAI GPT Turbo 3.5 model, as well as we have also trained our own model, a machine learning algorithm using random forest and some other machine learning algorithms, which is basically able to detect a disease from input symptoms. Okay, and for the health conversation again we have used GPT model. Okay, and it has also text to speech model, which can convert the whatever responses or questions you are asking into audio. Okay, so basically this is our home screen, which basically demonstrate related information about our project. Okay, and this is the FAQ and related information. Okay, so to get start, okay, first you need to do a sign up. Okay, you can also check your, we have one more module which is basically a BMI module. From there you can check your BMI score. Okay, so okay, so you can also check your BMI score. Okay, so to get access of chatbot, first you need to do a sign up. Okay, first you need to go login section. Here you can do a sign up with providing username, email address, and password, and the same credential you can put while doing login. Okay, and then you can click on sign in. Once you click on signing, you will be authorized and you will be able to access the chatbot. Okay, so again you get this home homepage. Okay, with our project related information. Okay, first we'll go with BMI. So in the BMI score, you need to provide your weight, like I am 70, and you need to provide your height. Okay, like I am 170 centimeter. So then it will give you your BMI square. So as I am basically normal and not underweight or not overweight, right? So I am normal and fit. Okay, so this way you can check your BMI category, whether which category you lies. Okay, so now let's go back to home page and go for chatbot. So in bottom right, you will be able to see this chatbot icon. So once you click on this chatbot icon, it will open the particular interface of chatbot. Okay, so this is the interface. So first, health pulse on name of our chatbot. Okay, so whatever question it will ask, first we have to answer it accordingly. Just like it is asking for my name, so let me provide my name. So as you can see, once provided name, it is asking me to choose an option, whether you want to go for diet generation, find disease, or health conversation. So first we'll go with diet generation model. Okay. So once you click on diet generation, then it will ask you for age. Okay, and gender. Either you can provide male or am. Okay, anything will be okay. And height, weight. Make sure whenever you perform this activity, you have to connect with your internet, and it should be a good connection. Okay, so that it will uh, get response fast. Okay, so now again it is asking me my goal, okay, whether I want to maintain or gain or lose. Okay, so I can select accordingly. And now it is asking me my activity level, so moderate. Okay, and now it is asking me for disease. If I have any disease, then it will create the plan accordingly. I have nothing. Okay, so are you vegetarian? No. So as you can see, now it is generating the diet plan. Okay, so yeah, it has generated a diet plan. So this is the diet plan which our model has suggested. So this is a breakfast. It is suggesting to eat these things in breakfast today. This for lunch. Okay, so as you can see, this is complicated to view here. So I have given one more module. So go to meal list. If you click to meal list, you will get a good interface from where you will able to see all a diet plan. Okay, so as you can see, whatever diet plan was generated is it has displayed in good manner. Okay, so this is the complete diet plan for a day. Okay, so based on my provided input, if I provided okay I'm vegetarian, then it won't suggest this eggs. Okay, so as I can say I am non-vegetarian, so it has suggested mix of both. Yeah, and also suggested some exercises. Okay, so this is for the diet plan generation. Okay, similarly, suppose you want to find some disease. Okay, suppose I want to predict my disease based on symptoms, so it will ask my age, and it is asking for my symptoms. So if two symptoms, you have to go to this particular section and you have to copy the particular symptoms and you have to paste it here. Okay, else you can type by your own. Okay, basically these are the all symptoms from our data set. Okay, whatever model we have trained now, so this all our data set was there, so that's why I have added those things to get better accuracy. Okay, so I have added some itching, skin rash, acidity. Okay, so now suppose I want to, based on these three symptoms, you can put as many as symptoms you want to put. Okay, suppose now I added these three symptoms. Now I want to predict the disease. Okay, so you can simply click to this predict disease button. Okay, once you do this, then in backend it will do the machine learning prediction. It will give the output. Okay, so as you can see, so it's supposed to, it is saying कि you supposed to suffering from fungal infection, which is correct, as basically I have say symptoms was itching and rashes and acidity and all those. Okay, and we have one more module, search nearby hospital. So if you click that module, it will automatically redirect you Google with the nearby hospitals. Okay, similarly it has given some more detail about the symptoms and disease. Okay, so this was related to disease. Okay, and now let's suppose now I want to do health conversation. Okay, so what you can do, you can click to health conversation and you can ask anything. Okay, suppose ki what paracetamol is paracetamol used for which disease. You can ask anything. Okay, any related to health conversation, it will respond. Okay, as parallel commonly used for treat pain, correct? And what is normal category of fever? Okay, you can ask any related, any diet plan, disease, or anything you can ask here. Okay, so this is the complete demonstration of our health plus chatbot, which is basically smart healthcare chatbot. Okay, so yeah, do let me know in case anything.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.